This is Chris, a subscriber I met in New York to help him open up to people and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 28th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hey, I think you are cute.
Yeah, are you new to the city?
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Today I'm with Chris.
I'm 21. I'm a college student from Illinois. I study computer science.
Okay.
I am actually an introvert, and I want to learn how to talk to people. I want to have the courage to talk to people, communicate. Okay. Seeing a stranger, seeing someone you want to talk to, just come and 5 minutes is successful to me.
Anything that you're anxious about for today?
Biggest thing is I don't know what to talk about.
Any last words before we start?
Yeah, just I'm Asian. I'm happy that Ruben doing this, and I hope there's more Asian doing this because I know that there's stigma that we are shy or something, but we are no different. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's start.
Hey, that's a cute dog.
Thank you.
Is it he or she? He. What's his name?
Troy.
Troy. Oh wow. It's ours over here. Just want to say hi.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Chris, by the way.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. It's not afraid of stranger, right? That's cute. So what are you doing on Friday?
Going out with friends.
Friends. Oh, so you're waiting for them?
No, I'm right now just texting a friend of mine, just kind of listening to an audiobook, relaxing.
Gotcha. I'm going here to take photos, but it's too sunny right now.
Yeah.
Kind of around. So, how old is he?
He's 10.
10. He's big.
Yeah.
You live near here?
Yes.
Wow, where do you live?
That way.
Oh, so are you an NYU student?
No.
No. Is this okay if I take a picture of your dog?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sorry to bother you.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries.
Have a good day.
What did you think of this interaction?
It's kind of boring because, the guy was on his phone. It's all about me asking question and he answer and not going back. It's kind of like a one-side thing. I don't know what to say next, you know.
A good interaction, like if you look at your best interactions with your close friends or with some of your family members, what they have in common is not that you know what to talk about, is that you're relaxed, and because you're relaxed, you find things to say. The problem that people run into is that you are harvesting information. Where do you live? What do you do? Where do you work? How old is the dog? It's like slow down and start with the moment you're in. The only question is what you're saying. Are you saying it because you're present and you're reacting to the moment?
Yeah.
Or are you saying it because you're basically in your head, you're blind from the moment, and because you cannot react to the moment, you pull pre-made question out of your pocket,
Hey. Hey, I saw you over there. I think you are cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, just want to say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Chris.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
How are your day?
It's pretty good. Enjoying the nice weather.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Mm-hmm.
You like this part?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So, what book are you reading?
It's called Justine.
Justine?
Yeah.
This is what is it about?
Are you from New York?
I'm not. Can you guess where I come from?
No, I don't.
I'm from Midwest.
Where?
From Illinois.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm here for the summer.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So can you give me some recommendation? Where should I go?
Yeah. Where in the city are you?
I'm from Brooklyn, but I travel to Manhattan a lot.
All right. Well, I don't know.
What do you like?
I don't know. I love going for walks. It's you can really kind of get lost and just find fun stuff to do.
Yeah.
That's kind of how I spend my time here.
So you live near here?
I was hanging out here like, I've been here for a few hours, but yeah, this man came up to me. He was just selling weed from his backpack. I'm like, I'm good, you know.
Oh my God, that's New York.
Honestly, that's why I love it.
How do you describe your school life? Like,
My school life?
yeah, party vibe, school vibe.
Most of it I was just like kind of in my dorm studying, which was great for my GPA, but
Wow.
yeah.
Book and part.
What?
You smart.
Thanks.
You have any social media? Like, we can follow up. Like, if anything.
Yeah, I actually deleted. I went on like a summer social media like cleanse.
Detours?
What?
You got like social media detour?
Yeah. So I
Wow.
was like, yeah.
Yeah, it's good to know you.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Can I have your phone number? Anything? It's okay if you don't want
Yeah.
to. Yeah, I totally respect you. But you seem to me like a very chill and person.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I
Grab coffee sometime.
yeah. Just since I'm leaving next week, I think it would be best.
It's okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
It was really nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Chris.
Chris.
The Chris with the Rick and Morty.
With Rick and Morty. That's awesome. I love it. Cool.
Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Chris. That was nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
That was nice. At the beginning, I thought you were gonna like cop out.
Mess up again.
You were like standing there. I was like, let's go, let's go. How did that feel for you?
It's definitely better than last one.
Yeah.
Because the person like try to engage with the conversation with me. It's not like too much on the phone, you know.
Yeah.
She put the book away when talking to
Yeah.
me. That's good. Hey, I saw you over there. I think you're accused. Just want to say hi to you.
Hi, I'm not interested. I'm gay, but it's nice
No.
to meet you.
Just for like normal conversation.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you? I have to actually.
Oh, you gotta
walking out
go?
in like 8 minutes. I have to walk.
That's okay.
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris.
Yeah. How about
Nice to
you?
meet you. Yeah.
So, how are you doing?
Good. I'm headed to a workout class in a bit. Just relaxing.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
What about you?
Me, I go take photos. It's too sunny right now.
Yeah.
Will be better.
What do you take photos of?
Street photography, people. I love people. Yeah.
You want to take a picture of me? You can take a picture.
Yes. But before that, because
Yeah.
I know that you gotta go,
Yeah.
you have like social media, anything?
Yeah.
Okay, I can send it to you
Yeah. Are
after.
you new to the city?
I'm new to the city. How do you know?
Yeah, no, I'm just wondering because I don't know. Maybe you're looking for friends, and
Yes.
I'm local, so I'm happy to connect on social media. Let me give you my
Yeah,
Instagram. Here I am.
that's cool.
I'll follow you back.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will take you a really cool headshot, new friendship.
New friendship. So where are you staying this summer?
Brooklyn,
Where, Brooklyn?
Beirut.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I grew up in Midwood, which is not too far from there. It's South Brooklyn.
Which
yeah.
train? So are you? What are you up to?
In general,
In general.
I'm off for the summer.
Yeah.
And
And how about after high school?
hopefully I'll be doing social work. Oh, those are so cute. I like the far ones.
The grass one?
Yeah, the
I
grass
love it
ones
too.
are so cool.
Yes.
Oh, so cool. Send those to me.
Yeah, I will.
Well, let me see what time it is. Yeah, I'm gonna start walking. It was so good meeting you.
Me too.
Thank you for coming over.
I will send you
Yeah.
the photo.
Yeah.
And what do you for fun? What
Sure, we can get coffee sometime.
coffee?
We can go for a walk.
Yes.
Yeah, you can explore the. You should check out the West Side Highway, the pier over there. There's like
It's
you
amazing.
should
The
check
high
that
line.
out. Yeah. Walk over there. I'm trying to think what else you can see. Yeah, just do a lot of walking in the city. It's a good place to walk and see people and connect. Keep doing what you're doing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good
Sweet,
day.
you too. Nice meeting you.
It's got better than the last one because I kind of catch the tone. I'm not too rushy to, ask, question. I just kind of like patient. It was much better. Like I was controlling the the tempo of the conversation.
Yeah, you were more relaxed.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good. Like when she said I'm not interested, I was supposed to be like shocking, like not knowing what to say next. But like I was like, I just wanted to chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. I really enjoyed I think that's really nice.
Yeah.
Any thoughts moving forward?
I'm good. Let's
Good?
learn from the next one.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Hi. I saw you over there. I think you are really cute. Just want to say hi.
Hi. Well,
Yeah.
thank you. That's kind of you.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Do you mind if I sit around and have a little chat, or are you
I'm
busy?
honestly, I'm just going to read my book. So, I mean, you're welcome to sit, but I'm probably not.
Yeah.
But thank you.
I don't know what to say. I think I asked the wrong question. Do you have time to chat?
You know, when you give a compliment, you're not giving an information. Oh, excuse me, I just want to let you know that I think you're beautiful. No, you're communicating an emotion, right? Hey, well, you look great today, you know? When you give a compliment, if the person that you're giving the compliment to didn't smile,
Yeah.
that means that you didn't give them a real compliment. That means that you just gave them some data. You're not just here giving people information. Like they're not APIs. Like, you know, you're not just sending a post request.
Yes.
And I'll give you another challenge. Don't ask for the name. The name is a filler. You don't need the name. When you talk to your friend, for example, since the beginning, we've talked. Do I
Don't
say
ask
your
for the
name? I never say your name. I say, hey, oh, yo. Like, we don't say your name. You know, you don't need the name.
Okay.
Try to leave the name at the end. You don't really need it.
Hey, I saw you over there.
Huh?
I saw you over there, and I think you were really cute. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Going
Grocery. Oh wow. So you were in New York.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What
Do you
did
live here?
no, I don't live here. I'm here for a summer vacation. I have an intern.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you like in college?
Yeah.
Oh.
How about you?
I graduated.
You graduated.
Yeah.
How long?
Like a long time ago. I
Oh.
also have a boyfriend, so.
It's okay. It's okay. No,
I
I'm
don't
not.
want you to waste your time.
No, just I'm new here. Just finding people to chat.
Yeah.
Step out of comfort zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are NYU students around?
No, but I live with an NYU student.
Oh, okay. Do you live in this area?
No, I live in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay.
Brooklyn, yeah.
You're just like hanging out.
Hanging out Friday, finish work. Well, I gotta go, but
Okay.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, I hope you meet other people that are nice.
Yeah. Well, have a good day.
All right.
Yeah. I think it's good, cause like I was just a little bit nervous, but I'm not asking about the name like you said.
Yeah, focus on the moment. Yeah.
Or the moment. I asked about like how are you doing stuff. I know that she got a boyfriend. It's okay. Just want to chat.
And also, one last feedback.
Yeah.
Don't say, like, if it was a friend, let's say that a friend of yours is coming and they look good, you're not going to say, I think you're cute. You're just going to say, you're cute.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, a kid is not going to be like, hey, I think your shirt is cool.
Yeah.
Hey, your shirt is cool. That's it. Direct,
Okay.
Spontaneous, genuine.
Okay.
What you have to realize is that you don't choose your thoughts.
Right.
Okay, you don't choose, they come to you. So when you have a relaxed mind, thoughts are going to come in.
Yeah.
If you're anxious, thoughts are not going to come in. So the more you do it, the more you cultivate your self-expression, the more you cultivate how you relate to people, the more you see the good in people and you focus on what you share instead of what's different,
Yeah.
the more your mind is going to be relaxed, and then the more it's going to be easy. Things are just going to come to you.
Okay. Let's go on for the next one.
Let's go.
I saw you over there,
Yeah.
and you're super cute. So just want to say hi.
Hi.
How are your day?
Good. How are you?
Good. It's Friday. I came here to take picture and stuff. How about you?
I was actually looking for there's some guy here called the Park Poet.
Park Poet?
Yeah, so
Chris. Nice to meet you. It's a beautiful name, by the way.
thank you.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from, what do you mean? Like, from nationality or the U.S.?
Nationality?
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about you?
I'm actually American, but Chinese. How long have you been in New York now?
I'm here for the internship and also vacation. 3 months so far. First time.
First time.
First time. How about you?
Well, this is technically my home. My family's here.
Wow.
Um,
I think it's like do you believe in work-life balance?
yes, very much so.
I see.
I want to work to live, not the other way around. So that's why I don't really like it here.
Yeah. So what do you do for the living?
Events.
Event? So if you don't have to worry about money, so what would you do?
So I'm currently thinking about. So I have like a creative vision, but I don't know how to. I'm still thinking about how to realize it right now. It's like I want to.
Let's connect.
Sure. Yeah.
You have anything?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I like spiritual stuff, so.
Okay. Oh, phone number. That's kind of new.
Oh, why? What were you thinking?
I was thinking about Instagram, but phone number is a new level. No. You got.
Well,
What do you do? Any sport?
I used to do rock climbing actually, but
Okay.
I haven't gone in a while. I was just looking at my rock climbing people.
You want to go with me? I have Brooklyn Boulder. I have 2 tickets.
Maybe?
Yeah.
That'd be fun actually. I'm not very good, but.
I'm just a beginner.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
So like a plan. You
Like,
free next week?
not this weekend.
Next week. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I think Monday I'm busy, but I think after that I'm free, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will message you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta go now.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye, you too. Thanks for coming in.
Yep. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, Chris, you stayed almost 40 minutes
That's
with her. That was long. My
Yeah.
phone is about to die.
it's the best one. I took what you taught me, like be present, like see her as someone I already know. So I was very calm to say hi. I didn't ask for her name earlier, like just very, very friendly. I tried to, like I really like the thing that you told me, like it's just a mirror thing.
Yeah.
So I try to be friendly.
That was
I think I get better by this conversation. Yeah.
It's all a process of iteration, but that was really good, right?
Yeah.
And you got a number.
Yes.
Boom.
Boom.
So now we can get tea.
Yeah.
Do you have any other thoughts?
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Okay, Chris. So how was today?
It was good. I learned a lot. I stepped out of my comfort zone. It was long day, but I learned a lot from Ruben. And I think the courage to step out and then go out and talk to especially women is a need. Like I learned it. I love it.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Any last words?
Any last word? Following Ruben.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. That's it for today. See you next time.